Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting on the daily chart for the overall bullish and bearish scenarios, where we have of course an A, a B and a C toward the upside. Three waves, finishing wave C1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was an impulse. With those three waves we have finished of course a wave A. After this we saw of course a very sharp move toward the downside. As ABC we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, potentially finishing here your wave A, and then ABC for your wave B, and you're still looking for a wave C toward the downside, which is still unfolding actually, because of course this is your wave 3 here. You have a wave 4, and we're still looking for our wave 5 exactly inside the blue box. As you can see, we hit the blue box, but not exactly. It was before the required time because this wave was very fast. So now of course the time has to range of course to accomplish the time required for this wave, and then of course finishing in one more wave 5 toward the downside and then moving toward the upside again. So as I mentioned before in the latest videos for POPCAT, whatever it's gonna happen inside this area, it's gonna be bullish again. We need at least to confirm one more move toward the downside inside this blue box to be able of course to launch this bull run again as an A, B and a C toward the upside. Now if we take a closer look on the 4-hour chart inside this area, we can see exactly what's going on here. So this has transformed to kind of like, potentially of course it looks like a leading diagonal. However, I think we already measured this, that the wave 5 is longer than your wave 3 potentially. Let's check again, I just forgot about this. 5, well actually not. Actually it is inside the fib levels for a wave 5. But the problem is, yes, here is the problem, is that you have here 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, a leading diagonal somehow as well, or not leading diagonal, even this is corrective. But can it be a zigzag? No, also not. This is a WXY. I think this is a problem here. That's why we still, of course, we transformed this into a WXY. Yeah, I remember. It's this problem. We have this in the lower time frame. W, of course, for a flat here, W, X, and the Y as a zigzag. Here we go. Yeah, so this is a scenario. I think we can see it on the 1-hour chart clearly. After this, we didn't took the low yet. Yeah, we're just still ranging and ranging for a long time here. However, whatever it happens again inside this area, because I was pretty sure that this area is gonna be very choppy, just ranging in time until of course we get the wave 5 with the perfect time, perfect fib level, and ready to move toward the upside. Again, I would repeat, inside this area, I would say here, or over there, it's the same at the end. Of course, if you manage your trade in a way, of course, you can always adjust. It is bullish from this side, and that because this is the lowest price that POPCAT can achieve. Now, of course, we're talking here from $2 until the 0.2. Yeah, so this is more than 80%, I think. Let me check. This is more than 80%, right? Yeah, even more than 90%. So definitely we're moving toward the upside in this area. Let's move to the 1-hour chart to see what's going on here. On the one hour chart, we have this count. Yeah, so I'm gonna remove anyway the leading diagonal. I don't like it. I'm gonna keep, of course, the WXY to remove confusion. And of course, I doubt that this is a 1-2 as well. I doubt it. Well, it's still possible. This is a problem, but I believe that it's a very low possibility. So I'm gonna remove it. Now we got here kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, we counted this very micro, but it was invalidated. No, also not. Oh, yeah. So yeah, basically I see this as going into a triangle, guys. Anyway, in this case scenario, it's going into a triangle. So I prefer to remove. I know that there is many impulses here, but that because of course the buyers are loading in this area, and of course as you can see, invalidation of bearish, of bullish, we took it as well. So basically the best scenario here would be a triangle, which is expected, yeah. Expected as a triangle, because as we said, whatever it happens in this area as choppiness is gonna be, of course, bullish at the end. Let's clean up. I think I'm gonna remove the leading diagonal signal. So yeah, basically we want to take this price. Exactly, this price has to be taken, and I think the best reading here would be the following. As a triangle, A, B, C, D, and a E. So currently we are in a wave E. It can be very, very soon finished and moving toward the downside, because we are in a wave E here. Your wave 4 will jump to the wave E, of course, here in this area. This is WXY, very good. Yeah, and wave C as well will finish with the wave 5 here. So A, B, C, D, and E, very clear. Yeah, nice. We didn't took the low, so no invalidation. So far, your wave E can be a zigzag, and then moving finally with this final wave, of course, to reach lower than 0.16, yeah, and then of course launching the bull run. So I'm gonna keep my alarm exactly at this price here. Here we go. That would be the best option for POPCAT. That was it for POPCAT then. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.